What are the benefits of using a humidifier for colds? Imagine breathing easier when you are fighting off a cold. Using a humidifier can make a big difference in how you feel during those stuffy, scratchy days. When you catch a cold, your nasal passages and throat often become dry and irritated. This dryness can make coughing worse and cause discomfort. A humidifier adds moisture to the air, which helps soothe these irritated areas. Keeping the air moist at around 40 to 50% humidity helps your mucous membranes stay moist and healthy. This supports your body's natural defenses, making it easier to breathe and reducing the urge to cough. When mucus is thin and moist, it clears out faster, easing congestion in your nose and chest. This can even shorten how long you feel sick. Moist air also helps you sleep better by calming nighttime coughing and dryness. Better sleep means your body can recover more quickly. There are two main types of humidifiers: warm mist and cool mist. Warm mist humidifiers heat water to produce steam, which some find comforting. Cool mist humidifiers disperse a fine spray of cooler vapor and are safer for children. Both types increase moisture and can help relieving cold symptoms. Using a humidifier works well alongside natural remedies like herbal teas, honey, and steam inhalations with healing herbs. These natural remedies work better when your air is moist because they soothe your respiratory system. To get the most benefit, keep your humidifier clean to prevent bacteria and mold growth. Use distilled or purified water to avoid mineral buildup. Place the humidifier a few feet away from your bed and keep humidity levels between 40 and 50%. Too much moisture can cause mold, so avoid overdoing it. Proper maintenance and placement make sure you stay safe and comfortable. In the end, a humidifier helps keep your airways moist, loosens mucus, reduces coughing, and helps you sleep better. All these effects support your body's natural healing process, making it easier to recover from a cold naturally.